Welcome back, everybody, and if you're new, appreciate you stopping by. So in the last video, we left off with my Slash having no steering. We pulled out the servo, and I told you I'm going to go buy a new one. However, after a little research, I found out there's a fuse on this board. And it seems to be a common problem on this model. And the fuse is actually this guy right here. I know it's hard to see. Like I said, I'm only on a GoPro. Doesn't have the best camera. But that is the fuse right there. I'll put a picture up here if this doesn't turn out too good. But basically what I'm going to do is remove the fuse and just stick a wire there. This is actually a known fix. And I don't know the negative implications of this other than if it goes wrong or something shorts out, well, this will definitely be fried. But likely that won't be an issue unless something catastrophic happens or the gasket fails and then water gets in here. But that'll be future me that needs to spend 40 bucks on a new servo. I'd rather try to fix it, and if it works, share it with y'all. So I'm gonna fix it and we'll test it out once I'm done with that. Alright, there it is. It is removed. Now I just need to clean up the solder. It's this little guy right here. And then what I'm going to do, I've already tinned it up. I'm just going to bridge that gap. And that should do it. We'll see if it works. Alright, there's my wire connected. All I'm going to do is chop it off right there. Alright, there's a little excess, but shouldn't be too bad. Nothing more than the usual. But let me get the car. We'll put this in. Well, I'm not going to put it in. We'll just hook it up and make sure the servo actually turns. Alright, servo's back together. Let me just drop it in here into its slot. Turn on the receiver. Make sure that's off so we don't accidentally drive. No freaking way. Well, there you have it. If your servo's dead, your 2075, might just be that fuse. So, all I gotta do is throw this back in the car and I'll be out driving again. Well, that was a quick one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. Also, if you can do that, I'd really appreciate it. I thank you for stopping by today. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care.